Alright, got a quick video here on this SpeedyBee Discharger. So, it's a LiPo discharger. It comes like this. There's a balance lead extender just in the box here along with the discharger. And the balance lead extender is plugged into the side over here. It's a bit hard to get in and out, but it's pushed in like that. So that's all comes in the box, no instructions, just got a little screen here, 2 buttons, power and settings. You got your 3 to 6S in XT60 connectors where you're going to discharge your batteries, and then you have a USB-C out, and it's USB-C power delivery. On the box, just have some specs here. So it is 3 to 6S, does not work on 1 or 2S. If you plug a 2S battery in, you get an error. So typically it's going to be 3S, 4S, or 6S LiPos. And then it does use the fast charging protocol, USB power delivery 3.0. And then on the different batteries here, you get different power outputs. So on a 3S battery up to 30 watts, 4S up to 40 watts, and 6S up to 60 watts. And so let's just go ahead and do a quick test here. I'm going to plug in an XT30 battery. So I have an XT60 to XT30 adapter. This is a 4S LiPo that I did not fully discharge. So there is 16 volts in this right now. Let's go ahead and plug in the balance lead as well. And it's keyed, so it'll only go in a certain way. And to see the individual cell voltages, you just press this settings button. And we see it's at 3.97, cell 2 is at 4, cell 3 is at 3.98, cell 4 is at 3.99. And if you want to change the value for the storage charge or the discharge level, so basically where it stops discharging this battery, because you don't want to obviously keep discharging this battery and goes to 0, because then you'll kill it. So you probably want to put it at 3.80, which is storage charge. You long press this button here, and if you say, oh, I want to make it's a high volt, let's make it 3.85, hit this button to make the number go up. This button over here makes the number go down. So I'm going to set it to 3.85. That's where it will stop discharging. It'll turn off, and then you protect your battery from over discharging. And long press this button to save that setting there. If you press the power button here, it just shows you the current voltage of the battery and then the amps going out of the USB-C connection. I'm going to plug in a USB-C cable here on one side, and then on the other side I'll have another USB-C connector, so you can plug in something like a phone. I'll plug in my phone here, and we can see here now the amps are going up, 9.3 amps. So I think this is running at probably like around 5 volts, I believe, on power delivery at 9.3 amps. I'm going to try something else here. This is another, this is actually a battery charger. This is the ISDT608PD. I did a review on this already. Search my channel if you're curious about that, and then you can use this to charge up other batteries. So if you want to discharge your LiPos to storage voltage, and then you can charge up other, obviously USB devices like your smartphones and anything else that uses USB for charging, but you can also charge up other smaller batteries. So we'll go ahead and plug this in, and I think since it's a 4S, it should be around 40 watts. So I'm going to plug this in here, and 45 watts on the input there. You can see that the voltage has come down to 15.1 and no amps currently. Alright, do a quick test here. I got a 2S LiPo plugged into this charger, and go ahead and hit it, start to charge here. So we'll see the watts going up there, 7.9 watts. And so over here we're at 15.8 volts and about 0.6 amps. And we can still check our individual cell voltages. If you have the balance lead plugged in, it will balance discharge just that storage charge. I set to 3.85 earlier. Anyway, a pretty handy product if you want to storage charge your LiPos. That happens quite a bit where maybe you've charged a bunch of packs and your session is cut short, maybe it rained, whatever, and you have some packs you need to put into storage charge. You can do this and charge up other batteries or your smartphones or other devices that use USB-C. So check out this device. There'll be a link in the video description if you guys want to check it out. That'll do for this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.